Hello. Uh, in the last video or two, I've recorded a video where I asked God to stop the hailstorm. Oh, wait. And the rain. I don't know if you can see that. It's like really blurry. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yeah, so I got on my phone upside down and I recorded a video showing after I asked God, the I am from Exodus 3:14, he's monotheistic, no image. He sent Jesus Christ, the Son of God, and a prophet. They're separate, not one and the same. Jesus Christ is just below God the Father, I am. The I am has no image. He's monotheistic. It's written down wrong in the New Testament about Jesus being a God. He's not a God. And proven on camera that, I will give more videos that I've recorded on my phone that I asked God to stop the hailstorm. And in that video, if you watch that video that I recorded, um, I asked God to stop the hailstorm after confessing all my sins and stopping the sin. Again, I can not continue in sin um, for a while, like a long time, but I'm not sinless. But I do the best I can. And if you see that video, I recorded it on this smartphone. And sorry, it's like really bright. Um, but anyways, if you see that video, I just wanted to show that this is not artificial intelligence. And you can hear the sound from the recording. I'm not going to play the sound, but yeah, it was in the beginning of the video. There was a lot of hail, and I had to raise my voice, and it was like hailing really bad. And God, in this video, stopped the hailstorm within 15 seconds that I captured on this phone. And again, it's not artificial intelligence. This was captured on my phone. And yeah, so this is real. God stopped the hailstorm within 15 seconds. I have this on my phone. And I'll continue to prove that God can respond back, stop the hailstorm, stop the rain. And I'll explain the logic about how to prove that. And I think I can show the modified date on here. So if I go to details, sorry for the blur. Details, can you guys see that without it being like really hazy? Oh, probably not. Oh, there we go. I'm just shooting it from my, yeah, I don't know why it's so hazy. There we go. The date it was recorded on was March 25th, 2025 at 8:08 p.m. Again, that video where God stopped the hailstorm in 15 seconds was March 25th, 2025 at 8:08 p.m. And you can't modify the date, so you can modify the title. I can do it. Oh, edit. There we go. There, I can modify the title, but I can't modify the date. So, date. Yeah. Oop. Yeah. I can't modify it. So, again, that was March 25th, 2025 at 8:08 p.m. God stopped the hailstorm within 15 seconds. And let's see if I can find the other one. Um, There we go. So this one was I recorded. Sorry, it's back. my center. I recorded this video where I asked God to stop the rain. Can't really see it, but you can see it on my channel. And you see that, what is that? Little concrete where the rain was dropping. I don't know if you can see that better. But anyways, God stopped the rain within 5 minutes in that video, and that's recorded on my smartphone. Sorry for the details. But yeah, so this is real. After asking God the I am from Exodus 3:14, he sent Jesus Christ, the Son of God, and a prophet. They're separate, not one and the same. Jesus Christ is just below God the Father, I am. And he stopped the hailstorm, and he stopped the rain. You have to stop continuing in sin and all the sin. And so this is the actual video. So, but yeah. Today I will be proving that God can respond back. So the whole thing is here. About 9 minutes, 40 seconds. To prove that God can. And if I go to the modified date on this one, is it edited? Oh wait, no, that's not it. Alright, hold on. No, can I do that? Go to details. Can I do it? March 30th, 2025. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I can show it that way. So, we will focus. March 30th, 2025. So, that was recorded on my phone where God stopped the rain. But anyways, I'll continue to prove that God can respond back. And, yeah, I'll continue to prove that. Thanks, I'll come out with more videos. And, yeah, that's it. So, I'll continue to prove that God will stop the hailstorm and the rain. Hopefully, he'll respond back more, and I can prove that he exists. And thanks for watching. I'll come out with more videos, and thank you.